Hello everyone, welcome to Gate Academy 2.0. Good afternoon everyone. तो बैक टू बैक सेशन में ले ही रहा हूँ और आप देख ही रहे होंगे कि मैं लंच तक भी नहीं जा पाया हूँ और बैक टू बैक सेशन ले ही रहा हूँ वन बाय वन और मैं ट्राई कर रहा हूँ कि लोगों से गुड क्वेश्चन के आंसर लूँ जो जितने भी एस्पिरेंट हैं उन एस्पिरेंट को काम आए, जितने भी एस्पिरेंट जो लोग भी अपनी प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं उनको समझ आए कि मेरी प्रिपरेशन में कौन कौन से पॉइंट्स हेल्पफुल होते हैं, मैं कौन कौन से पॉइंट्स पे फोकस करना चाहिए, एक एस्पिरेंट कैसे रैंक लाता है, मैनी फैक्टर्स आर देयर ना फॉर प्रिपरेशन। तो मेरे को लगता है कि मैं अगर किसी का इंटरव्यू ले रहा हूँ तो वहाँ से जितनी चीज़ें आपके लिए इंपॉर्टेंट इन्फॉर्मेशन हो सकती है उस इंपॉर्टेंट इन्फॉर्मेशन को मैं ट्राई करता हूँ कि मैं एक एस्पिरेंट से निकाल सकूँ और आपके लिए हेल्पफुल हो सके। ठीक है, तो आज मेरे साथ में देबजीत बासु है जिनका AIR-353 रैंक है, ये कोलकाता से है और PD कोर्स स्टूडेंट्स हैं और इनसे हम बात करने वाले हैं। तो हेलो देबजीत बासु, कांग्रेचुलेशन डियर।
Yes, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
I think you are very happy.
Yes, sir. I'm extremely happy. Means I was not sure when I saw I was just doing computer. I was surfing the net, and suddenly I checked on the net that the GATE results has come out. I thought that so much time has passed, so I don't think that on 19th it would come out. So I wasn't aware of that. I didn't think that it would come out. Then I checked that yes, it has come out. So I then quickly logged in the website, and when I entered the website, then I saw that what is coming. The rank is showing 353, and I was totally shocked. I didn't know what to do. I quickly called in my parents, and they said, "Dekho, eta ki holo, I'm budhte parchi na." Like this, I said in Bengali. I'm a Bengali student. That's right. So I was completely taken back. The score and all is all right, but the AIR and the GATE score, I was completely shocked. I checked in the rank predictor, and it was showing that around. I was expecting within 1,000, I would be getting a rank. Close to 800 or something like that.
Rank predictor, what is showing rank predictor actually?
Yes, sir. The rank predictor, it was showing around something 746 to 806, like this. Like this the range was. I expected that below 800 some rank I was going to get. Okay. So like that only I shortlisted some new IITs and some NITs. I shortlisted them. But when I saw that what was the actual rank, I was totally taken back. So how can this be possible?
Because this time electronics paper was just something different. This time IIT Bombay frame different type of electronics paper, some controversial question, something different, or even in final answer key they change some answers actually, or IIT Bombay this time provide two MTA marks to all, two questions actually.
Yes, sir. Yes. This time the paper was a bit different. Actually, this time the paper several concepts were introduced here. Actually, I gave many test series. That's why it was not like that many questions I didn't know. Somewhat there was a problem in my accuracy. Otherwise, I would have scored more. But that's different issue. But the question, yes, it was question paper. It was a bit different. That's why the cutoff was reduced significantly. Even
general cutoff is only 25 marks this time.
Yes, sir. 25 is a very less cutoff. Previously
yes.
It was 28, I guess. So this time, I didn't expect that it would be this low. So that's why my rank became so high.
Okay. How many questions you attempted in this paper? How many questions?
Actually, sir, I don't remember exactly, but I left, I think 8 questions around. I left around 7 to 8 questions I left unattempted.
7 to 8 questions you left. That means many questions are, you did silly mistake actually in many questions.
Yes, sir. That's
how many questions you did silly mistake actually?
Actually, sir, many 5 to 6 questions. Especially the question was NAT type. That's why means from the 2 marks questions, I only had 15 or 16 correct. So that's why my score dropped this much. Means I did many silly mistakes. Even in the network theory questions, the 2 marks, there were 2 marks or 1 mark, I don't remember. Two network questions were there. Means the circuit was given, the voltage we needed to find
Yes.
it out. That question I also did mistake. Means,
But that question was very easy question actually, very easy
yes,
question.
yes, that's only I'm telling you, sir. Yes, this was a mistake from my end. Means I can only blame myself for this. Otherwise, means yes, means I could have scored a bit more, but that's all right. Means I am quite content with what I have done. Means it's obviously way better than what I did in previous year, and it's all thanks to Gate Academy team, sir. You sir, it's all thanks to
Okay.
you.
Okay. When you purchased this course actually, or what was your experience with Gate Academy and Gate Academy teachers?
Yeah, it was a wonderful experience. Actually, I thought of means the previous institute from where I studied. Means I was sure that I would not study there in the second attempt. I was sure of that. And in the pandemic situation, it was difficult for offline coaching. So I searched, and Gate Academy was the only choice that I had. Means I thought that I would take from there only. I also had a very close friend of mine. He also told me that you should take it from there only. They are now
Okay.
the best. So I also saw some of your lectures before purchasing, and they were yes. I actually saw your CMOS inverter that video, sir, in the previous year before giving the previous year GATE exam. That CMOS
Yes,
inverter. So
one of the my lecture in EDC is CMOS inverter is present in YouTube
yes, sir,
actually.
yes, sir. That I saw your lecture, and I liked it very much. So I was sure that if I gave an attempt a second time, then I would select GATE Academy only. So I selected from here, and the experience it was great. Means I started from, I guess, network theory only. I started from network theory because I think it's the basic subject one should start from, and like that, after that I think control, then EDC, then analog electronics, like this I went. So it was very pleasant experience, and means I watched them continuously. There was, means I didn't felt it boring even for a second. Means the faculties, they gave the lectures so well. Your lectures, they were so good. Then Das sir's lectures, everyone's lecture. I'll not say that. I'll say all of them are very good. Means I like you and Das sir's best. I like your and Astar's lectures the best, but everyone, they did a great job.
Yes,
Everyone, every
because
faculty.
every teacher tried to give best effort from
Yes, sir. Yes,
inside
sir. Yes,
actually.
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And you solved every questions that were given on the workbook. Provide detailed solutions. And I had very doubt even. Only while giving the test series I faced some doubts, but otherwise I didn't have many such doubts. So
Okay. What was your preparation strategy for GATE 2021? What was your preparation strategy actually?
yes, so preparation strategy means yes, I made a preparation strategy. Means I felt that I should complete one subject. Means I first thought that I should do two subjects at a time. Then I felt that it would take much more time. So I concentrated on doing only one subject at a time. Means I started one subject and ended it, and then I would switch on to the next subject. And yes,
Okay.
while doing one subject, I would also finish the workbook. Means the entire workbook and the questions that you gave in practice, the practice questions. Means those extra questions, the assignment questions and the practice questions, I would
You
also do them
completed all
alongside.
workbooks. You completed all workbooks.
Yes, sir. All workbooks, everything I
Okay.
completed. Alongside while hearing the lectures only, means I finished one chapter of a certain subject, and I would complete the practice questions. Means I would just take do a quick revision of the lectures I just saw. I would take a quick revision of it. I took notes on my copies, and then I would complete all the practice questions, everything, and then I would move on to the next chapter. Like this, I did. Means previously, what the only the solo mistake that I did was that I didn't solve as much questions. So I thought this time that yes, I should do the questions side by side also. Means I shouldn't leave them like that. I'll only watch the lectures and do the questions at the end after completing the course. I didn't do that. Means I solved them alongside only. So it was a great benefit for me, I guess. So, and
Okay.
I took around 6 months to complete the entire. Means I had studied all the subjects previously also, but still I thought that I should study them again because your teaching method is different. Means I would get to learn. I got to learn many new things. Means many new things, especially in control systems, network theory, EDC, analog electronic. Means many new things I got to learn. So I thought that I should not study like this. That oh, here I didn't study this. I should see this portion. I saw it entirely from top to bottom. Entirely, I saw all the lectures, so
Okay.
that
Okay.
I did not have any regret that I didn't see this or from here the question came. So that kind of thing, so that I wouldn't have later. So I watched them entirely. I didn't do anything, just this portion or this portion. Selective I didn't do. I watched entirely what was provided.
Okay. What was your routine structure during exam or during preparation actually? What was your routine?
Yes, routine, sir. I would start from actually the routines are only seeing the lectures and solving. This was the routine. Means when I was seeing the lectures, I would only see them. And when say one chapter the lectures I have completed seeing, and then I would solve them. And then the time I took for solving, then after that I would switch on to the next lecture, the next chapter, like this. Means I didn't do anything like that. And sometimes I would do revision work. Means when say 3 or 4 chapters are completed, big chapters, not chapters, big subjects are completed, then I would sometimes revise the notes so that I don't forget those things. So I would do that. Like this only I did. Means it's not like that I would do lectures and solving at the same time. No, I would
Okay.
see the lectures completely and then I would switch on to the solving part. Means,
Okay.
yes, sometimes it happened that on the same day I did lectures too and also did some solving, but otherwise it was not like that. That means there was not any boredom in seeing the lectures. Means I completely enjoyed them. So there was not any problem for me to see those lectures. It didn't feel monotonous to me. So I could see them.
Okay.
I
According to me, there are three important factors for preparation of any exam or for converting any rank. There are three important factors. First one is fundamental concept, good content of any subject is the first factor.
yes,
Second one is
yes,
the revision of that subject, how many times we revised, and third one
yes,
is test series. So there are three important factors.
yes, yes, yes.
How you related all these factors? How you related?
Yes, sir. Firstly, as I told you, sir, I completed the entire course within 6 months. Means that includes even solving those practice questions. Means solving the workbooks entirely. And actually, previous year, means while attempting the previous year gate, I had also solved the previous year for 2 times. So I solved this year also, but only for one time because I felt that the same questions are coming. So that's why I didn't solve the previous years for more than one time. I thought that one time it would be sufficient, and yes, it was sufficient because the questions I felt that I know them. Means these are known questions. I felt that, so that's why I didn't solve them. And even in the some workbook questions also had the gate questions in them. Your workbook questions, they also had some gate questions in them. So that was one thing. And second, you told me the revision. Yes, revision I did many times because I also means did many tests. I think I
How
have
many
given
times?
around
Approximately, how many times you
how
revise
many
any one subject?
revised approximately one subject. You can say minimum 6 times. Minimum six
Minimum
times I
six
have done.
times.
Yes.
It's very good.
Only actually, firstly, it took some time while revising, say 2 or 3 days for a subject, especially when the subject is say signals and systems, then network theory, means huge syllabus. So it took time, but then after 3 or 4 lectures, then I could do it very quickly. The revision work, because those concepts were very much fixed inside my head, my brain. So that's why I could do it very quickly. Say within 4 to 5 days, I completed the entire syllabus once again. Like this, I did the revision. So this I did, and test series I gave around, as far as I remember, 30 plus tests I gave.
How many tests?
30 plus means I don't remember the exact number. So yes,
Okay.
more than 30 tests I have given. 30, it may be close to 40 even.
30
So,
test, that means only mock test 30 tests, or including every test?
actually, sir, no, mock tests are a bit less. Means full subject test you can say around 25 to 30.
Okay.
And the rest are subject-wise tests that you provided, means the Gate Academy provided the subject-wise
Yes.
tests. But those I didn't give many, maybe 15 or means below 20 I gave those. I mainly concentrated on the mock tests only, in full syllabus tests.
Okay.
Those only I mainly concentrated on, because I knew that previous year what the problem, what the fault I did was that I didn't give as many mock tests. Because firstly, I didn't have the time, and my preparation secondly was not that good. So I couldn't score good marks in the test series. I scored somewhat close to 40 marks only. So I felt that giving test series would do me no good. In the previous year, I felt that doing more test series, giving them would not do me any good, because when I gave them, I couldn't secure more than 40 marks, no matter how many times I did. Because the content, I didn't have that much content. So I couldn't secure more than that much. But this time was different, because the content, I had huge content. So that's why I could solve many questions. And yes, from the test series, I also got new questions. Answer your combat videos, those. From there also, I got a ton of new questions. So
have you seen all combat? Have you seen all combat?
yes, sir, you can say I have seen all combat. Only, sir, electromagnetic theory, lastly, I didn't see all. But from the starting, I saw them. But at the last, I didn't see all. But otherwise, EDC, the combats were really very helpful. EDC,
Okay.
the combat. EDC, signal and systems, so, then digital electronics, even your combat. But your combat, it was less in number, but the questions were really very good. EDC combat was really very good. Means he took new questions and gave us new concepts. So it really helped me.
Okay. What are your suggestions for all GATE aspirant, especially who are preparing for GATE 2022? What are your suggestions?
Yes, my suggestion will be to switch on to Gate Academy. Means blindly go for Gate Academy, because their teaching method, their support, everything is top class. I think it is my thinking. I don't know what others think, but if someone asks me, then I would tell them to blindly go for Gate Academy. Means I would tell them not to search for any other institute or anything. Means if you want to secure a good score, then you can blindly select Gate Academy. Because I have no regret that I selected. Means I am very happy that I selected Gate Academy. It is not that means I'm doing this because I am a student there. No, I felt that it was the best choice I had done. So that's why I'm saying this. It's not any biasness or something like that. It is what I feel. So I'm saying this.
Okay, thank you for your kindness and your reply, this type of your reply. And finally, my last words for you. All the best for your bright future in your entire life, actually. All the best.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much, and I would like to heartily thank you, sir, for allowing me to secure this rank. Means I never expected that I would get this rank. Means it is the truth, sir. Means I really never expected. Means I myself was dumbfounded that when I saw what has happened. Means I couldn't believe my eyes that I have secured this much rank. So I would like to thank you only, sir, because Gate Academy has only made this possible for me. Because
Okay, okay.
means I didn't have that many friends. Means who could support me. Only one friend I have. He only has supported me, and even in this year, I didn't have that many friends. Means I don't have any Facebook account. I don't use Facebook that much. I don't like using it. So I solely relied on Gate Academy. The Telegram channel, it was really very helpful to me. From there, the doubts I had, I could get the replies from, I could get the solutions to my doubts. I got the answers from there. So, and yes, sir, the revision sessions were really very good, sir. The marathon sessions means they really helped me in revising the subject in
Okay.
a precise form. Means I saw all the combat, all the marathons, sir. Means that you had done on YouTube channel.
That means have
So
you
that
seen
was
all combat, all my 10 question, all revision videos, na? Everything you
yes,
completed.
yes, sir, sir. These all have means even the revision videos I had seen that were posted way before. Means not only this, because I didn't know that this type of thing would be conducted. So that's why I saw the videos that were posted earlier about revision. So those things really helped me. So
Okay,
yes,
okay.
I can only thank Gate Academy only, and yes,
Okay, thank
that
you.
is all I need to say. Thank you very much, sir, for making my dream a reality. It is
Okay.
actually, I am still thinking that I'm living in a dream because I didn't think that I would get a chance to study in an IIT. Never thought. But yes, I did put effort, and I think it has helped me to get where
Okay.
I am.
So all the best for your future journey. All the best. Always do. You are good.
Thank you very much, sir. And yes, sir. Please, sir, guide me and please wish me that I may have a bright future and I can.
Yes, yes. We will guide you. We will guide you about post-gate guidance program. We will guide you about the branches in IITs, which IIT is better, which branch is better. Yes, we will guide you. Mostly
I
maximum thing we will guide you. Don't worry.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I know that you will, sir, guide me. You have guided me, and that's why I have reached here. That I have faith in Gate Academy. I have
Okay.
full faith in you, sir. So, thank you
Okay.
very much, sir.
And thank you. Thank you.
Yes, and I would like to meet you in person if possible, sir, in future. This time it will because of this situation, it's not possible now. But I would like to meet you in person, sir.
Yes,
And
one day, definitely
yes,
we will
sir.
meet.
And this is a
One
wish
day,
I
definitely
have.
we will
I
meet.
would like to see you. Yes, sir. Thank you very much.
Okay?
Because I truly admire you, sir. I admire your teaching style. Means I want to be a good teacher like you.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
So,
So finally, thank you very much
yes,
for
sir.
best of luck for your life. Okay?
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you very much, sir.